Hi, it's Tasha with WTI.
GUNOZE has really excelled in their way of creating a multi-purpose inflator tool. This really can handle anything I need inflated. It's really wonderful to be able to use two different power sources. I can use the Makita batteries that I already own, or it also comes with the plug to plug directly into my car. So it's convenient when I'm outside the home or on the road or even doing things in the backyard like blowing up a bulb. And I really am in love with the digital pressure gauge aspect. You just put in how much pressure you want on the gauge and it automatically shuts it off at that. It makes it so that I can just set it and forget it and just have the peace of mind that I know that it's accurate. It also includes all the little tools that I need, needles and adapters to be able to inflate a variety of products. I'm also very happy that it has a long cord so that I am able to extend it to all four of my tires if I was ever on the road and needed to inflate my tire quickly, then I would be able to get this around to all four of my tires with the cord or just to use my Makita battery.
And that's my point of view.